Yes, yeah. Yeah, man, good morning, yeah, good morning. Good morning, viewers. Yeah, man. So, my status. Come on, make a look at short video now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for my status. Yeah, man, make people know, say. Yeah, man, yeah, man, the show last night, yeah, man, it really nice. Charley Black celebration last night, really nice. I really enjoyed. And big up yourself, Charley Black. The people who organize the show. The show was well put together. Yeah, man. Really nice. Yeah, man. I love how I love how the show run until hour. Something before the show, you see. The show finished. Yeah, man, and police never come stop it and them thing me like, man, show like them show if you go until 4 o'clock. That me I talk about. Yeah, man, the 2 o'clock thing. Yeah, man, the 2 o'clock thing. Yeah, man, the 2 o'clock thing of foolishness, brother. Show like them live with us. You have to go on and keep until 4 o'clock. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so people can really enjoy themselves. I mean, it was last night. It's really nice. They really enjoyed it. Yeah, man. They really enjoyed the performance of Jamil. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, and Kimali. Yeah, man, and Charley Black. Sean Paul. Yeah, man, and Fanny Clark. Yeah, man, the show is really nice. You know, so big up and enough respect to you know, Charley Blacks and the crew. Yeah, man, that put the show together. Yeah, man, really enjoyed. Yeah, you understand me? Really enjoyed. I'm looking forward. Yeah, man, I'm looking forward for next year. Yeah, man, me go put it on my calendar. Yeah, man. Yeah, first me I go. Yeah, I want a Charley Black's birthday celebration, and it was really, really nice. Well put together. Yeah, man. And as we said before, show like them, man, if you keep until 4 o'clock in the morning time, man. Yeah, man. It's 2 o'clock thing. Yeah, madness. Yeah, man, the 2 o'clock thing is madness, brother. Madness. Yeah, man, them change the thing from 2 o'clock. Yeah, man, to 4 o'clock on weekends. And from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the week. Yeah, man, give the people more time to party and make them money and enjoy themselves. It's nice and make me what they bring in for the people. What they bring in for the people, they want wicked act with them. And to make a people that love music and love entertainment and people every time party. Because during mine, you know, see, when they were young brother, during the 70s, yeah, man, yeah, during the 70s, people used to party until the morning during the Michael Mann government. Yeah, man, during the 80s, and the Sega government, people party, you understand me, until the morning. Yeah. In the 90s, under PJ Patricia government, people party until the morning. You know, see. Yeah, man, Porsche, when PJ give Porsche, yeah, man, in this something there. In Porsche, in the early part of the 2000s, people party until the morning. Since yeah, man, when Boots Golden took it over in about 2007, 2008. And Boots Golden bring in the nice, I mean, go slowly, bring in the nice and make me act and start lock up dance 2 o'clock weekend time. You know, see, I must have 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the week. That's one wicked act with it. You know, see, you start the period of enjoyment. Yes. And start hoping for and make money. Dance and all this city. Yeah, man, I know say, in time when people can't party until the morning again. People can't party until the morning again. Because you know the crime I run for the levels, you know. But at least put the thing to 4 o'clock, brother. On weekend time, you know, see, and 2 o'clock during the week. Because remember one time you Damon Crawford, you say, boy, the talk issue later. Yeah, man, Damon Crawford, when you talk like you want, say, if Damon Crawford, we just say, man, the thing back for 4 o'clock. You see, the thing for 4 o'clock, man, on weekends, so people can go and enjoy themselves. Because like how last night, I saw the food, the dance, the show end. And people enjoy themselves. So this all never say right and now still. Beach me there, they go and cool out. Of course it's up. Of course it's up on something. YouTube channel, remember the time of course it's still. Yeah, man. If you feel the dance, man, on 4 o'clock, man, on weekend time, 4 o'clock every world, 2 o'clock a waste of time, 2 o'clock a wicked something, man, a wicked that brother. Look at them dance, them stage show them on 2 o'clock, brother. A wicked thing that, brother. You know, see, because last night I was about some the tree, the artists them touch stage, or some the tree. You understand me? Imagine if I went 2 o'clock, they go lock off, you don't see no artists. And some of the tree the artists start performing and some of the tree. Yeah, man, and they want a tight set. Yeah, man, they want a tight set until some to fold it and the thing done. So, as I say, big up yourself, Charley Blacks. Showed it nice, well put together. Love it. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, man. Next year. Yes, I'm out.